Endi haligi
You can record respiration. There's another one for ECG. After the presentation, I can show how you can record data with this kind of equipment.
Okay, good. Bu endi tushundim, men o'zimda shuncha savol berdim. Tak, bu o'sha haqiqatan analizatorga, bu bitta tomoniga turib patsientga qo'yilganda, mana bu insa orqali borku, o'zini programmasi orqali. O'sha patsientning ma'lumotlarga kelib chiqargan. O'sha yuragi nechtaveryapti yoki bo'lmasa qag'iga qo'ygan bo'lsa, xuddi shunaqa narsalar ko'rinib chiqargan.
Just to make clear, it's not about patients or medical treatment. This system is for physiological and psychophysiological research, not for medical treatment.
Hop, bu eslatib o'tishim kerak. Bu haligi patsient uchun emas, ya'ni bemorlar uchun emas. O'sha fiziologik datani yig'ish uchun.
Bu narushnik uchun. Tashxis qo'yish uchun.
Besides that, we have also other systems. Here you have 4 channels. Here we have 16 channels. This one includes the hardware, software, and laboratory manuals for teaching human electrophysiology in university.
Hop, bizda faqat bu emas. Bunga o'xshagan haligilarimiz ham bor. Bu o'sha endi universitetlarda o'sha human odamlarning fiziologiyasini o'rgatish uchun ishlatiladi. Bu yoqda o'sha laboratoriya uchun haligisi bor ekan. Qo'llanmasi.
In 2005, the Tashkent State University acquired some systems like that to teach physiology.
Tashkent
State University,
Hop,
20 years ago.
Hop, Toshkentda Gosударственный universiteti bundan примерно 20 yil oldin, 2005-yilda xuddi shunga o'xshagan sistemalarda Biopakdan sotib olgan ekan. Hop, haligida aytib ketishdi, men aytishimdan chiqib qolibdi. Biopak o'sha 40 yillik stajga ega bo'lgan, bozorda o'zini o'rni bor kompaniya. Hop, chetlashmagan holatda o'sha Toshkentda Gosударственный universiteti o'sha 20 yil oldin sotib olgan, ishlatib kelyapti.
Milliy universitet.
Milliy universitet.
The teaching systems are very robust and sturdy with very strong cables because students usually like to pull, to throw them away, but still 20 years after that the equipment still works.
Hop, tak, ushbu instrumentni